Yeah, when I say this rod set gave everything it was supposed to give, baby, wait till you see the takedown. But this is Donna's recipe. As you see, they had sent me some products, so I was excited to definitely try these out. Now, I went ahead and started off with using their sweet potato pie extra creamy leave-in conditioner, which left my hair with super moisturizing results without weighing my hair down, and it smells so good, just like sweet potato pie. I have not done a raw set in so long, y'all, so I really was kind of nervous doing this video because I was like, what if it don't come out right and I just wasted all my lovely time doing this video? But I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just do it. I know that it's all in technique as well, and I've already mastered that just by doing repeated rod sets in the past. But as you see, I working in sections, and then I like to spray my water, and then I do detangle it before I actually apply the product. For my styler, I'm using their whipped vanilla cream curl defining mousse, and I did apply about 2 to 3 pumps per section that you see me doing here. So after I do apply that on my hair, I just like to roll it around my hair. As you see here, I do kind of pull it tight so that way it can actually, you know, apply on the rod smoothly. It's really easier said than done. It's kind of hard for me to actually even say it in words where you can actually understand what I'm trying to say. But as you see, that's why I do show a video so you can visually see how I do it. There's no particular way. It's all in technique. There are different ways that you can put your hair onto a rod, but this is just the way that I do it.
For me, I guarantee she go with me, but the only thing I need to know right now is what a pretty girl like you doing in this part of town with a city girl swag and a country girl style. I mean, you demoralize with your style. Wow.
First section complete. This is how it looks. So I do like to split my hair into 4 sections total. So I just work section by section, and I typically like to work in the back 2 sections first. Now I'm gonna let y'all know I did apply some extra creamy hair cream on my hair as well. I did put a little bit more than I probably should have. I got a little bit crazy with it, but as you see, I did mix the two together. Now I will also add that you don't really have to add a lot of hair cream because the mousse by itself will do its job. I just wanted to add a little bit of extra moisture to my hair with adding the hair cream. When you're doing a rod set, you gotta think about dry time. So when I do add hair cream in a mousse on top of this and adding the rollers, it did take longer than expected to dry. And then when I did take it down, it didn't dry like 100%. It was probably like 95% dry. But overall, it still came out good. So this is the head scarf that I am using to apply on my head. Again, I did sleep in these overnight, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for about 2 hours the next day, y'all. This is how it's looking so far. I was so excited. I was happy to see the shine, and I love that the way that my hair just bounced back. So I already know the results was about to be bomb, baby.
I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my diary.
And me just over here feeling it because I knew it was a little bit down, but still this came out cute, okay? So now I am just going to be separating my curls. So I do like to work in sections with that as well. And I'm using the Donna's Recipe Strength Hair Oil to maintain the frizz and to help with my takedown. So when I do take it down, I am winding my fingers in the direction that the curl is in, so that way it can still stay defined while I actually put the hair oil onto my hair. So as you see, I am so in love. I really was like, okay, this is about to be really cute. And y'all, my eyes was glued to the TV because I was tuned into the BET Awards, okay? But I had to really get through here. But anyways, as you see, this is looking so cute. The takedown process really shows the real results. As you see here, I didn't really know how it was going to turn out, but so far, so good. After doing this part, I just knew that my hair was about to be cute. So after I done separated all of my curls, this is how it is looking. This is without fluffing it or picking or nothing. This is straight out the box, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and pick it out with our handy dandy pick to give it some volume and also to shape it up as well.
My swag hit on ladies unknowingly. Pleased to meet you.
After shaping it up, fluffing it, separating all the above, this is the final look. As you see, all smiles. I was really feeling myself, y'all. I was like, this is too cute. And I did cut my bang before, so I do love the fact that my hair is just falling the way that I want it to fall. Donna's Recipe has definitely won me over. I can't wait to try out their shampoo and conditioner and other styling products as well. And y'all, as I was fluffing and shaking my hair, I was like, uh-oh. Got caught in my nose ring. That's one thing I hate about this nose ring thing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.